name is Laura Engels. I am the Director of Choral Activities at Davenport West High School in Davenport, Iowa. I would say the main focus of a choral director or a director of choral activities is essentially to kind of lay that foundation for all students who enjoy singing. If you're looking to prepare to become a music educator, what you can do right now is seek out your choir director, seek out the band director, the orchestra director, ask them what you can do to better prepare for your education beyond high school. I love my job. To be able to walk onto stage and make this really beautiful music is the most rewarding aspect of my job.